Hey everyone, welcome to Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. I'm Mr. Will, my buddy Beat, and today we're working on Riptide by Vance Joy. We're going to go into 4 sections today. Beat is going to show us which sections they are. We're going to start with chords, then the progression, the strumming, and then we're going to do a play along. We're going to move through all of the progressions together. Hey, stick around because I'm going to do that opening riff for you later in this video. So, don't miss it. We've got some special strumming and ways to play this song later in the video. Yeah, let's get started with the chords. There are 4 chords we're going to play in this song. We have an A minor, a C, a G, and an F. If you're new to Loog Nation, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with a friend. We love having people join the community and learn songs on the Loog that you can then play on a 6-string guitar later. That's what I mean by where future guitarists start. A minor. We've got our 2 fingers and we're going to play the 2nd string 1st fret and the 3rd string 2nd fret. Fingers 1, fingers 2. There we go. A minor. A C is just playing the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And then a G, we're going to use our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Now an F is a little tricky. There's a couple ways to play it. I like to play it with my 1st finger laying down on strings 1 and 2. And then you can use your 2nd finger to play the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And if you find sometimes that 2nd finger is laying down and muting the 2nd string, you can always use your 3rd finger to reach over the top of those strings and still press down on that 1st finger to get both of those notes at the same time. Of course, another option is to use 3 fingers, my first 2 fingers and then my 3rd finger. So you have a few options of playing the same chord, F. Okay, there are your chords. Here's the progression. We're going to do the verse and chorus. The verse and chorus are the exact same progression, meaning the order of the chords and how many times we play those chords. We're going to play an A minor, 2, 3, 4, a G, 2, 3, 4, and then C, 2, 3, 4, again, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So that's like 90% of this song. The count of this song is very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Speaking of count, let's get into the strum. Here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Right? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, I know, I'm going a little fast. Let's slow that down. I'm going to strum down, down, then I'm going to miss that 3rd beat, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's what it sounds like on the album. There's an easier version where we actually play the 3rd beat. So we're going to go down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So you have 2 choices. We can start off with the easier version. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Or we work on skipping that 3rd beat, which is syncopation. I love syncopation. Most songs sound really cool with syncopation, meaning that we're going to skip a downbeat and we're going to play the upbeat as the accent of the strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yeah, Beat, you do see something, right? While I'm strumming, I don't stop my strum. If you were to mute this video and watch me play, it looks like I'm just doing this the whole time. That's right. I keep strumming even though I'm missing that third beat. Down, down, miss, up, down, down, miss, up, down, up. Cool. So that's the strum for all of the song, really. Yeah, we do have a separate section in the song. It's called the bridge, right? The bridge of the song is where we depart from what we normally strum and play and change our chords, right? So it's that I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. Yeah, that was different. And we're going to use the same strum. We're just using 2 bars of each chord. That's what makes it different. Of course, there is a break. After that, we have that break. We have that, like, I swear she's destined for the screen. But those are just strums, right? Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. And we get into that, Notice that the strum and the chords are basically the same throughout the whole song. Okay, so now we have our chords, and we have our strum, and we know the progression. Great. You're ready for a play along. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Here we go. We're going to do like 1 bar for nothing, and then we're going to get into the count of the verse, and then we'll go into the bridge, and then we'll come back to the verse/chorus, right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was great. Great job. And then we go into the bridge section later in the song, right? I just gotta know if you're gonna say. I just wanna know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. 3, 4. First thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that I've ever seen. Yeah. All right, let's play that opening riff that I was talking about, the one that makes it really fun to play if you're adding layers to this song. Wow, that's fast. We're playing 4 notes. We're playing a C on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, a D on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, the E, which is the open 1st string, and then we're going to play a G, which is the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So we're going to play all of these as individual notes. C, D, E, G, and then we're going to jump to a D, and then we're going to play the open E. So I'm playing C, D, E, G, D, E. Wow, that's fun. That's something to practice and get good at. Hey, do you have any questions for me about this song? I'll shoot you a little short video through the YouTube channel if you'd like. Maybe there's a specific section about the song that you're a little confused about, or you want to have some more help with the syncopated strumming, or maybe even that cool riff that I just showed you is like harder to play and you want me to play like a slowed down version of it. Any questions you have, leave a comment below. I love chatting with you all here at Loog Nation, and I want to know how I can help you play this song the best you can. Yeah. All right, so that's Riptide by Vance Joy. Yeah, we did it, Beat. That's the whole song, the chords, the progression, the strumming, and a little play along for you as well. Hope you had a great time. Enjoy playing this cool summer classic. It's a great little campfire song. Everybody loves it. And I'll see you next time here at Loog Nation.